Hi everyone, in this quick video I'm gonna walk you through how you can import your old calorie calculator sheet into a new one. First of all, you're gonna need the newest version of the sheet. You can find it in the calorie calculator sheet subreddit pinned on the top of the page. Clicking here, we're gonna find a link to make a copy for the calorie calculator sheet. This part is kinda easy. You only have to just click on the make a copy and it's gonna make a copy of the sheet into your Google account. After it's loaded, we have to go to the settings page. At the right side of the settings page, we found the import form. We're gonna need a sheet ID from the old sheet to be able to import it. To get that, we have to go to the old sheet and check the URL. The sheet ID located between this D and the edit part of the URL. You just have to select it, copy it, and then paste it to the new one. After we have the ID, we can select what type of data we want to import from the original sheet. In our case, we would like to have everything, so we're gonna leave it as it is. The import is only working on PC, so unfortunately you can't really use this function in mobiles or tablets as well. But almost any PC can be good for this purpose. However, if you're using someone else's PC, make sure you are logging out from your Google account or using incognito window. So let's just click on the button. As you can see, we're gonna need to give some authorization for this for the Google. So we just have to click on the OK button here. Here we have to select our account. And in this page, we have to click on the advanced and then to this go to calorie calculator 1.6.1. Here we can select what type of access we would like to provide for this sheet. We unfortunately gonna need access for other sheets to be able to import it, so we have to select all and move forward to the continue. After this, the import is starting in the background, and as you see, we have this please wait message here. The import can take up to few minutes sometimes, so you just have to be sure that you are not doing anything in the sheet till you see this please wait window. After the import is finished, everything loaded up to a new sheet. If you encounter any issue in the import or have any question, please let me know in the comments or in our subreddit. Thanks. Bye.